Howdy, I'm Greg. Today we're walking through the warehouse and we're going to be talking about an IntelliCenter Upgrade Kit. Here it is. It's a Pentair product. There are 4 main variations. There's a few others, but the main variations on this are the 522045, which is the Legacy Edition. That's what they call their panel upgrades from 2003 to 2012. That is for the 045. For the 046, we have the Legacy panel as well. This is upgrading an EasyTouch or an IntelliTouch that you have already existing in your backyard. This one is for a pool only, the 045. The 046 is for a pool and spa. So that's the only difference between those two. As we move into the 47 and the 48, you're now upgrading a panel that is newer than 2012. So if you have an EasyTouch or an IntelliTouch that's 2013 to present, you're gonna be able to upgrade those to the Pentair IntelliCenter through doing the 047 or 048 upgrade. And let me show you a little bit of what's in the box real quick here. These have been really popular lately. It's a great product. It gives you that IntelliCenter touchscreen option and the cell phone control through the Pentair home app just by changing out a few things. They do still need to be professionally installed, so make sure you're having someone professional install them. And it's just a great product. So first thing when you open it, you got all the literature, all the warranties, all the stuff that goes there. You get a sticker kit that goes inside of your IntelliCenter, or I'm sorry, inside of your existing EasyTouch. This goes on there. It shows the new wiring that's going to take place by upgrading to the IntelliCenter. So we'll just set that stuff to the side. You get new little circuit breakers here. This is also the transformer that's going to go and connect to the panel. So all this gets installed. And then what you really want to see out of that is this. So this is a beautiful, brand new IntelliCenter. So this takes your EasyTouch, IntelliTouch, like we said, and it turns it into a touchscreen IntelliCenter. So it gives you all the functionality there. You get the cell phone control through your cell phone, download the Pentair home app. Then you can connect to this. It comes with a wireless antenna in here as well. So you get an antenna that's 900 megahertz. It goes and it mounts on your wall by your new IntelliCenter. And then you get an in-home antenna. And these guys communicate. No connecting to Wi-Fi, no worrying about if you have bad service at your pool equipment. These talk to each other from in the house, out by your pool equipment. You get great reception, really, really far distances. And then by having that new cell phone app, you're able to turn on your pool, do all those things that you can do from the panel now. You can do those from your phone. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for looking at the IntelliCenter Upgrade Kit with us. Have a great rest of the day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.